we'll guide you through how to make glow effect in Lightroom Mobile. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom Mobile on your device to begin editing the photo. Once the application has launched, import the photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, open the image in the Edit workspace to access all available editing tools. Next, open the Light panel to begin making the primary lighting adjustments. Increase the exposure slightly to brighten the overall image while maintaining a natural balance. Adjust the exposure carefully until the photo becomes brighter without causing important highlights to lose detail. After adjusting the exposure, reduce the dehaze slider to soften the image and create a subtle glowing atmosphere. Continue by reducing the clarity slider to lower the midtone contrast and give the photo a smoother, softer appearance. Once the lighting adjustments are complete, open the Effects panel to apply additional finishing touches. Add a subtle vignette if needed by slightly darkening the edges of the photo. Keep the vignette effect gentle so it helps draw attention toward the center of the image without becoming distracting. After applying the vignette, open the Color Grading panel to enhance the overall mood of the photo. Add warm tones to the highlights by adjusting the highlight color wheel until the brighter areas display a soft golden or orange glow. Balance the highlight color carefully so it blends naturally with the rest of the image. After completing the color adjustments, review the glow effect by checking the brightness, softness, colors, and overall atmosphere of the edited image. Continue refining the exposure, dehaze, clarity, vignette, color grading, or vibrant settings until you are satisfied with the final result.